Meanwhile, there seems to be no end to the controversy over the NEET results. The issue is still escalating. Protests have broken out and they are demanding action by the centre. Protests have broken out in different parts of Delhi, but not just the national capital. As you can see, even in Tripura and Thiruvananthapuram. Students' wing of the Congress party, NSUI, also held a mega mashal march in national capital Delhi. Heavy police presence barricading at the protest site was seen. NSUI demanded NEET retest, CBI investigation into the alleged misconduct in the examination. There was also a delegation of the ABVP that submitted a memorandum to the Union Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, who's the Minister for Education. They're demanding investigation into irregularities. So both the NSUI and the ABVP, different political parties, student groups, but here standing by the students. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, meanwhile, has said that they'll always stand with students and that they must march ahead without confusion. Meanwhile, All India Democratic Students Organisation, ISA, the left-wing groups, protested in Tripura too. Kerala Students' Union held protests in city Thiruvananthapuram. Left students group, meanwhile, have called for a two-day nationwide strike over NEET controversy.
They should have just gone to a thorough inquiry. Arrest should have been made. This is a very serious crime, and it is the future of lakhs of students. And it is better, I appeal to the government of India, allow our states to conduct the exams ourselves. Let all over the students also participate. We'll also give reservation to them, all India level.
हमारे मनीषियों ने कल्पना करी कि भारत विज्ञान और विज्ञान का ऐसा केंद्र होगा जहां दुनिया से लोग चल के आएंगे और अपनी संस्कृतियों के बारे में भी आके भारत में शिक्षा ग्रहण करेंगे। तो कोई इससे असहमति हो ही नहीं सकती। और अगर कोई गलत हुआ है कुछ, तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि जो जिम्मेदार लोग हैं वो उसको न सिर्फ उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करेंगे बल्कि उसको सुधारने का काम करेंगे ताकि भविष्य में ऐसा कुछ भी न हो सके।
What are your main demands here?
My main demand is immediately release the date of re-NEET exam. I want a NEET exam should be again to be happen, and immediately arrest of NTA senior officers also. Those are involved in this scam. And this scam is bigger than Vyapam scam, I'm telling you. Again and again. And yesterday, that happened in Gujarat, you see what happened in Godhra. In Godhra, you see Deputy Superintendent of NTA is arrested by police, Gujarat police. That's clearly shown that this is completely a scam. You see lot of things. The exam result also come out before 10 days. Why the result is on 4th of June? And lot of students are with us. They also want now that this exam should be conducted again.
Form a committee of educational experts to study the problems concerning NEET and hit to the demand of revoking national level entrance test. NTA should not conduct NEET exam. Government should take the responsibility of conduct it. आज हम शिक्षा भवन के पास डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन किया है। हम चाहते हैं जो नीट में जो स्कैम हुआ है, जो लोग इसमें दोषी आएगा उसको बहुत बड़ा कुछ गवर्नमेंट उसको कुछ ये करे, उसको पनिशमेंट दे।